What up, world? Roy Hernandez here, Roy Masters Floor Cleaning Services. Back at it. You know it don't stop. I mean, come on. This is what we do. We are here in New Braunfels, Texas. We are doing a full hardwood restoration. It is engineered hardwood floor. So it still got a little bit of meat to at least get refinished one time. All right, pushing it after that, you're pushing it after that. So it was a dark engineered hardwood floor. The owners wanted a light. They wanted a little bit lighter. So the only way to achieve that was to sand it down to the natural pores and then give it the light color, or maybe the natural. We don't know yet. We haven't decided on that color yet. But we are here in New Braunfels, Texas on this beautiful Wednesday morning doing a full hardwood restoration. And we got the squad in there already. They're taping up the baseboards. And we're running the 60. Going 90 right quick just to break that aluminum oxide. Get it off right quick. We ain't got to play no games. And then back doors straight. And it should be easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. It's not too big. It's about 1,000 square feet, give or take a little bit. It's close to the river. It's good. Nice little location. Beautiful location in New Braunfels all the time. They got a whole bunch of construction going on as well. They're doing the fence. It's just a beautiful home. So yeah, it's this beautiful Wednesday morning in New Braunfels. Roy Hernandez, Roy Masters Floor Cleaning Services, 210-324-1622. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call, 210-324-1622. Let's go check it out. Excuse me.
We good?
Absolutely. Just watch wherever you might see wet spot. Oh my God, look at that. Beautiful Hickory engineered hardwood floor.
Just stay in the middle walkway.
So fresh. So fresh.